Hi everybody and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. It is primarily going to be an Easter haul as per the title, but I thought that I would just start off with my non-Easter items and then we'll jump right into it. Now this might actually be looped into another haul from Dollarama. If it is, I'll just add it at the very end. All right, let's get going. So for my non-Easter items, I really did go there just to see if they had any Easter items. I picked up some Caesar dog food. This is something that they always have and my puppies really love this as a treat. So I picked up a few of those. Some of the supersized M&Ms, some of their nails. This is not a new item. If you follow me, you know about my whole review on Dollar Tree nails. That these were really pretty. I've gotten these many times before and I do love them. And then some kids activities. So this, I thought this is new and this is really cool. So it's an activity pad. They're both My Little Pony. It's just lots of different, here, I'll show you guys. Here, I'll just show you this page. It's just lots of different activities for your children that they can work on. It's a mixture of like coloring. Sorry, I'm having a hard time here. It's a mixture of like coloring and just different activities and stuff like that. But I just thought that was a really good deal. Ah, here's the proper way, guys. That's why I was having such a hard time. And they're double-sided, as you can see. So picked up one of those. And then this is a different one. I picked up this activity pad as well. So it's Color Your Own Mask Book. So you color the masks and then they pop out. How cool is that? So I thought that was a lot of fun. Both of these were in their craft sections. And I'm sure if I researched them, they probably go for like close to 10 bucks on Amazon or Walmart. This item definitely does. So I also hauled this one already. But any of their like Crayola, they have a lot of mess-free kits, which cost like $7 or $8 on Amazon. Today they had this one. This is new in my Dollar Tree. So they had the color and sticker pack. So I picked that up. Just a bunch of coloring pages, and then it comes with stickers as well. And then lastly, for the kids type item, I picked up another one of their fun felt craft kits. I haul these as well all the time. They're just really fun projects to do with your kids. And they have lots to choose from. If you've seen my previous hauls, I've showed them to you, but they have so many different ones like pirates and fish, seahorses, unicorns, mermaids, princesses, lots to choose from. All right, so let's jump into the Easter stuff. All right, so first, yes, this is not Easter, but I totally forgot to show you guys this. I hauled this last time as well, so I picked up another one. I just think it's so adorable, this sign, Dream Big Little One. And I have one already, and I wanted a second one for my daughter's room, so I picked up one of these. And then I also picked up this sign. It was the last one that they had. I have no purpose for it, but I just thought it would be really good to have on hand for a DIY or a decor or something like that. So picked up this as well. All right, so what do we got for Easter going on? So first off, picked up some eggs. These, I don't remember seeing these last year, so I'm not sure if they're new, but they look new to me. But I love how they look with the little specks of black. It just looks really chic to me, so I picked up 2 of these. Most of these items, guys, are for decor and DIYs that I will be doing on my channel very soon. So yeah, grabbed 2 packs of those eggs. You kind of have to look through your Dollar Tree as well. I kind of noticed that things were everywhere this time around. They weren't really all housed in one area. I just kind of found Easter stuff everywhere. I also picked up this, these are just metal signs. So it says Spring Bunny Welcome. And you can just use them for different DIYs. Always really good to have on hand, but they're just little metal signs. They have these as well for like Thanksgiving. They tend to have these too. This is super cute. These are treat sacks with little ears on them, and you get 2 treat sacks with little ears, and then they have the string tie to close them. Super cute. They only had this one pattern that I saw. If you're looking for anything for kids, they had some bubble sticks. Parents out there, you guys know how much kids love bubbles. And if you look closely, you can see that they're like the 3 holes. So I thought that would be fun. All right, and then I picked up some LED lights, again, for doing some DIYs. They always have these on hand for all of the different holidays. Moving over to some floral. So I only picked up these three because I do have a lot of floral from previous hauls that I've done at Dollar Tree, but I absolutely love Baby's Breath. It was actually on my list of things to look for, and it was the only one that they had, so they must be quite popular, so I picked up those. And then look how pretty these are. I just love the pastel colors for Easter, spring, so pretty. I don't know what these ones are called. Let's take a quick look. There you go. So I picked up two of these, and I believe they had other colors. I think they had purple as well as the pink. One other art and craft for Easter that I picked up, they had a few different ones. So this is a bunny, a foam shaped bunny. So again, it's just a craft that your kiddos can do, and they had a few to choose from. So I just grabbed that one. Some more decor items. I thought these were really cute, and they would make a really nice decor. Little bunnies on sticks. Again, they had these in several different colors to choose from. I think this is probably one of my favorite items. I've never seen these ones before. They're doing a lot of the stick items so that you can use them in different floral arrangements and things like that, but how adorable are these little bunnies? It was the only one that I saw. I didn't see any other pattern. And then again, this is an ongoing item. Dollar Tree always has these different tins to choose from. So I needed this one for DIY, so I picked up that one. And then some stuffings. So I picked up, they have so much to choose from. I picked up some of this one, just the blue and the purple, the pink and the purple. And then I picked up some moss. And this is in the floral section. So that is it for today. I mean, all of that right there cost about $45. Again, my Dollar Tree is $1.25, not $1. I know a lot of you guys, it's $1. But yeah, so picked up all of those items from Dollar Tree today. Hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. There will be more. And again, like I said, stay tuned for some Easter DIYs coming really soon if you're into that kind of stuff. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have yourselves a really fantastic March, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.